We left Chamba and intended to go to Parashar Lake. On the way, we saw beautiful Chamera Dam, then Ranjit Sagar Dam, and then something happened. We missed two turns, and those two blunders took us to the road which lead to Harminder Sahib Gurdwara, popularly known as Golden Temple in Amritsar. The point is, those were not the blunders, but blessings in disguise. Those two mistakes were the lessons again. All your plans, your desires means nothing. A voice resonated in my heart, surrender, and let me take the charge. And so, we both did what was asked. Winters. I loved them. Amritsar was almost empty and our car reached in a bazaar till the point where Golden Temple was just 500 meters away. I came here after a very long gap, roughly after 13 years, and everything is changed.
This is how we change our plans. In morning we were thinking to go to Parashar Lake, but right now we are at
Amritsar Golden Temple.
Golden Temple.
The used to be local market changed into supermarket now. And from no angle it seems I am in India. वो कहते हैं ना यार लग ही नहीं रहा था कि हम इंडिया में हैं. That was kind of feeling. It was already late evening and so we decided to go inside temple early in morning. Streets of Golden Temple in morning time. It is day 6.
5 plus 1, you know.
Yeah, 5 plus 1, you know. And we are having a quite early morning today and going to Golden Temple. This is shoe rack. We have to leave our shoes here. And this is all free service. Super lady. The floor is very chilly. It is like 5 degrees in the morning. My experience of entrance at this place was like I was hit by pool of energies. I got power to withstand the cold floor now. I felt I drank something and my mind stopped functioning. Heart took the place. That's how this place works if you come here without any shield, without any boundaries, and without any definitions. And why there is so much energy here? It is because land of Amritsar was chosen by Guru Amar Das Ji, the third of the 10 Gurus of Sikh tradition. And later, temple was built around this man-made pool by Guru Ram Das Ji, the fourth of the 10 Gurus of Sikhism, with the help of Baba Buddha Ji in year 1577. Guru Arjan Dev Ji, the fifth of the 10 Gurus of Sikhism, placed a copy of Adi Granth, also referred as Shri Guru Granth Sahib, in year 1604 and called the site as At Sat Tirath, means the shrine of 68 pilgrimage. which again signifies that anyone taking a dip here with devotion will have benefit of visit to 68 holy places. In year 1830, Maharaja Ranjit Singh donated gold to overlay the sanctum with gold foil.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भय निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभम गुरु प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक हो से भी सच सोचे सोच ना हो वही जे सोचे लखवार चुप्पे चुप ना हो वही जे लाई रहा लखतार उखियाँ पुख ना उतरी जे बनना पुरिया पार सहस्या पालक होए ताइक ना चले नाल के वे सचियारा हुई के वे कुड़े टुट्टे पाल हुकुम रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया नाल।
वाहेगुरु जी दा खालसा वाहेगुरु जी दी फतेह।
It took me roughly 3 hours to circle around the temple. I was slow and kept on drinking those energies. Photography is not allowed inside the temple, so I can't show you, but can tell you I was totally lost there. My every body cell was charged. At every Gurdwara there is a Guru Ka Langar where free healthy meals are served, and this is where we went after visiting temple. Metallic plates crashing together greeted both of us, and we saw hundreds of volunteers who were giving their free services in various works. The tradition was initiated by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the first Guru, who explained the great strength of togetherness and generosity in his people. Here all sit together without judging caste or status or race to have food. Golden Temple of Amritsar provides langar to 100,000 people a day. After having the langar, we also saw the multimedia show in which the whole history of Sikhism is explained in 4 galleries. It is a 50-minute show and I will suggest must see it. There is no charge to enter here. We also went to see Jallianwala Bagh, but renovation work was going on at that time. Hopefully, we'll tell you about it in some future video. At last, how can we leave Amritsar without drinking the sweet lassi? I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel and I will be back with another destination very soon. Until then, have a wonderful time.